Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cook another lunchbox recipe. Let's get cooking. First up, we are going to make LIWET rice with anchovies. So let's heat the cooking oil in a pan. Fry 50 grams of cleaned anchovies. Set aside for now and let's prepare the spices. Thinly slice 5 shallots. Two cloves of garlic. Two each of red and green chilies. Thinly slices both of them. Now, saute the shallots and garlic. Add the chilies. Add the galangal, bay leaves, lime leaves, and lemongrass. You can look for the full recipe in the descriptions box below. Add 1 cup of rice. Add the sauteed spices into the rice cooker bowl. Add 65 milliliters thick coconut milk. (200 to 350 milliliters of water). Add salt and stock powder to taste. Stir it well and put in the rice cooker. Cook the rice like usual. If it's boiling, stir it for a while. Then, add the fried anchovies. Mix well and let it cook again. After cooked, add the basil leaves. Stir it well and the rice is ready. Now, let's make the coconut salad. Boil the vegetables like carrot, bean sprouts, long bean, and kennikir or spinach. Set aside. Now, take out 3 red chilies. Cut and put in the blender. Add 1 galangal. Two lime leaves. 3 cloves of garlic. And pure elephant. Then, saute the seasonings until they are fragrant. Add turmeric powder and tamarind sauce. Add half of grated coconut, whether too young nor too old. Add enough salt and sugar. Keep stir-fry the spices until they are cooked and half dry. Lower the heat and add the other vegetables. Stir it until mixed well. And the coconut salad with vegetables is ready. Now, we are make the base some tempeh and tofu. And we need 4 pieces of each tofu and tempeh. Put 8 shallots and 5 cloves of garlic into the blender. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 2 roasted candle nut. Add a little bit of water to ease the blending process. ingredients until smooth. Then, sauté the grounded spices until fragrant. Add galangal and lemongrass. Two bay leaves. Add 70 milliliters of coconut water. Two tablespoons of tamarind sauce. 6 to 7 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar / palm sugar / coconut sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook until it bubbles. After that, put the tempeh and tofu in. Cook for another minute until the sauce seeps in and the water shrunk. Then, heat the cooking oil in a pan. Fry the basil until it becomes brown. And it's all done. Let's pack it. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.